Welcome everyone, this is Mugu and today I'm showing you how to change the brake pads on your e-scooter. These are the tools that you're gonna need. Allen keys, a screwdriver and maybe some pliers. We're gonna see about that. Take your Allen key and release this one. Get the wire out and you can remove the spring. Remove these two bolts. Yeah, remove this one too. Then you can remove the brake caliper. And just remember how these go. Put the screws aside. And take your brake caliper and go to your working desk. Then take your Allen key again and release this one a little bit. Take your screwdriver and just play around until you get it out. Just like this. The same on the top one. I think it's magnetized, so it's pulling it back. Just like that. These are the old ones and these are the new ones. Out with the old and in with the new. So it's really easy to put it back in. Then take your Allen key again and just tighten this bolt. This bolt pushes the brake pad out. So, I mean in. So if you tighten it, you can see the brake pad going in. And if you go anti-clockwise, you can see it going out. And now when I do this, I see that I didn't need to change the brake pads because there were enough material left, but I didn't know about this one. So if you think you don't have brake pads, just rotate this clockwise and then you can brake again. That was the problem. So I'm gonna put this out and we're gonna mount this thing and then we're gonna turn it and see how much we need. So just put it back how it was. Take these two washers and they were under this. So this is the setup. Tighten it just a little bit. Then take your second one and tighten the second one. Don't tighten it all the way. You're gonna have to go uniform. So tighten this one a bit, and so on. And then you can tighten it all the way when you're roughly the same on both. So as I told you that you have to rotate that bolt to push the brake pad in, you can't reach it if it's mounted. So now I have to take it out apart again and then push it out. Because you see there's a lot of room there. I don't know if you can see that, but there's a lot of room there. So we're gonna take it out again and push it out. So now take your Allen key and push the brake pad in. So rotate it clockwise. I decided to do it like this. Now you just put it on and see how it fits. It's a little too much, so I'm gonna push it out a little. This is perfect. Now just put it back on. Put the wire back through. This is where we're gonna need the pliers. So take your wire and then tighten this bolt. Then just check if it works. So it works now. And now you just have to do the same thing up front. But keep in mind, maybe you don't need to change the brake pads, you just need to adjust them. So as you've seen in the video, you have to take the brake caliper out and then just turn the bolt that's pushing the brake pad in. That's all you gotta do. And if you do have to change your brake pads, I paid $6 for mine on Amazon with Prime delivery. In the next video, I'm gonna show you how to change the suspension on this e-scooter, because this one broke. And you might tell me, Mugu, that's because you're a fat ass. No, that's not it. I am a fat ass, but this is my brother's e-scooter and he weighs 90 pounds or 40 kilograms. Yeah, imagine me on this thing if it broke with 90 pounds. I'm double that, triple that, quadruple that. Yeah, hope it helped and see you in the next one. Make sure to subscribe.